Welcome to the YouthPreneur Workshop series, a brand new initiative from the Central Florida Christian Chamber of Commerce. I'm Barbara Perez. We're here to empower your kids and grandkids ages 10 to 17 to discover the joy of entrepreneurship rooted in faith. We are hosting free Zoom workshops on the fourth Tuesday of every month from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. These interactive sessions will guide young dreamers through the essentials of starting a business, from finding a business idea, discovering God's plan for their talents, building businesses with integrity, to mastering business planning and marketing, and so much more, all with a faith foundation. We want to pour into this next generation of leaders and entrepreneurs, and what better way to do so than here, surrounded by amazing Christian business leaders. Learn more and register for the workshops on the Chamber's website, cfchristianchamber.com.